So you have to choose, or you have to arrange the pictures that begins with A. This is apple.
Apple.
A. What else? What other pictures that begins with A? Alright, put it there. And so you have to put here like this. Like this. Together, yes? Maybe it's all A first, A. Okay, good job. Wow. That is letter C. What is this? Good job. Letter, what letter is this?
Paul.
Yes, what letter? The back? Letter? F.
F.
Letter F. Okay. Next one. How about this one? This is where? This is bed.
Bad.
Bed. So where is similar? Okay, good job. Yes, that is letter F. That is letter no. Maybe it's another column. Yes. All right. You say it A. Yes. Each letter? What letter is this?
T.
D. That is letter E. What is that? Letter B. Okay. That is a girl. Girl. This letter G. That is iguana. Iguana, this is girl. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, good job. Oh, this is elbow. Letter E. E. Like elephant. Okay. And iguana. E. Just like That is duck. What is this? Alligator.
Alligator. Fish. Gorilla.
Elbow.
Elephant. Pen. Hand. Dog.
Duck.
Igloo.
What is this? That's right. Okay. Iguana. All right. Yeah, very good.